This is the brand new Google Pixel 7a. Let's unbox this phone together. If you're unfamiliar with the A series phones, usually you give away a couple of features in order to save a little bit of money, but this model is actually quite feature-packed. Let's take a look inside of the box. You have a USB A to C adapter so you can transfer your data from your older phone. It comes with a USB-C cable in the box, but there is no power brick. You'll find the SIM card tool to swap out your SIM card from your old phone, as well as the product documentation. Let's take a look now at these cameras. There's two on the back, a main that's 64 megapixels and an ultra wide that is 13 megapixels. On the front of the phone, there is an under the display fingerprint sensor to unlock the phone, but you can also use the 13 megapixel front facing camera to unlock the phone as well. It's kind of hard to tell, but there's this slick little silver band on the side that I think looks really, really sharp, but I'm about to cover it up with a phone case anyway. That's my unboxing video of the Google Pixel 7a. If you want to learn more about this phone, I made a hands-on video with my early experiences, and you can check that out on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.